Hello, today we're making bath bombs. They're surprisingly easy, just a little bit on the tedious side. To begin, we're going to need a medium or large mixing bowl, depending on which one is clean, and a small mixing bowl. In the larger bowl, we're going to put in 1 cup of baking soda, a half a cup of citric acid, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and a half a cup of epsom salt. Make sure you get everything combined and break up as many clumps as you can. Once that is done, put that bowl aside for now and focus on the little bowl. In this one, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of almond oil and 1 teaspoon of water. Now you can add in 10 to 20 drops of doTERRA essential oil of your choice. I like doing 10 drops each of lavender and ylang-ylang. Together they make a very florally sweet aroma, and both of them are soothing for the body and the mind. Next, we're going to mix the wet ingredients with the dry just a little bit at a time. The moment liquid touches citric acid, it begins to sizzle as it dissolves. So, we're going to want to stir a little bit together, breaking up any clumps that form as you go. After everything is mixed together, take a bit and squeeze it in your hands. If most of it crumbles out the moment you open your fist, then you need to add just a tiny bit more of water. Just a couple of spritz of a spray bottle of water is preferred, but if you don't have it, just pour the tiniest amount in there and mix it. Give it the test and you'll notice we got a great clump this time. Now we'll take our mold of choice. They make molds specifically for bath bombs, or you can use a silicone mold or plastic eggs like me. Pour the mixture into the mold and really press it down into the mold as you fill it up. Keep going until you've run out of mixture and you get about this many plastic eggs. Let them hang out for about an hour as they firm up in the mold. After that hour, carefully remove them from the mold and let them dry completely on a towel for a couple hours or more. Once time is up, you can enjoy a bath with a fizzling bath bomb with the aroma of your choice. The others you can keep in an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe to watch more videos from me. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter. Links are in the description below. Bye!